wait, really excited guys. This is gonna be top one. This is gonna be amazing and really excited. Top one. Are you guys excited? Yeah, okay. Let's begin it. Top one. 1, 2, 3.
Nana is on the top ranking of beautiful
Nana
actresses from Korea.
is on the top
This stunning
ranking
South Korean
of
singer
beautiful
and actress
actresses
also
from
ranked high
Korea.
amongst world's
This is
most
stunning
beautiful women of
South
2020.
Korea singer and actresses also. Welcome back guys. In today's reactions video gonna be very special. Well, I'll be reacting on the top 10 most famous and beautiful actresses of South Korea. Well, top 10 most beautiful actresses in South Korea. Okay, are you guys ready? I'm really excited. Okay, I hope you guys are excited too. Okay, Infinite Effect top 10 most beautiful Korea actresses. Okay, who's gonna be top 10?
The
Song
exclusive
Hyo Kyo.
characteristic of this star is her jovial nature.
Okay,
Song Hye Kyo remains cheerful and
wow,
ebullient
the looks,
in hectic
guys.
schedules.
I love
She
the
got
colors of this hair.
popularity
So
by
simple,
television
right?
series Autumn in My Heart,
Oh,
All in and Houseful.
okay. Top 9. It's gonna be top 9, yeah.
Lee
Lee
is renowned for her roles in
So
TV
simple.
series such as Green Rose, My Girl,
Okay.
Hotel King, The Slave Hunter. Other
Amazing
Korean
photographs.
actresses are multi-talented,
Okay.
but Lee is
Ooh, man.
versatile in speaking different languages.
Amazing, okay. It's gonna be top 8.
Ha Ji-won,
Ha Ji-won,
popularly known
okay,
as Amazing
okay.
Yoha, is a phenomenal
Yeah.
Korean actress who has starred in several films and
Okay.
television
Oh.
series. She
The
is
looks,
one of
guys.
most sought-after
Amazing
and
photographs,
critically
right?
acclaimed actresses of South
Okay.
Korea.
Ha Ji-won. Amazing name. Ha Ji-won. So fluent, right? Ha Ji-won. Okay,
The
who's gonna be
ambassador of
okay,
16th
Ba
Boy and
Suji.
Korea Flower Show.
Okay.
Bae Suji is South Korean actress,
Okay.
generally known by her playhouse name Suzy.
Good. I love
She
the
is a
eyes,
pin-up
guys.
singer, rapper,
what about you?
performer, dancer, actress, and model.
Okay. Ba Suji. Who's gonna be top 6? Son Ye Jin.
Amorous,
Okay.
sizzling character of Korean industry.
Okay, Son
She
Ye Jin.
augmented fame in romance films and
So
television
simple.
dramas like the
And
classic
so humble.
Summer Scent, A Moment
Okay.
to Remember, and April Snow, and many others.
The looks so humble, right? Okay, top 5. Who's gonna be top 5? Kim
With
Tae
lovable
Hye.
personality and enchanting beauty,
Lovable
this stunning
personality
South
and
Korean
enhances
actress
beauty. Okay.
hold the 5th position in our list.
Okay.
Kim Tae-hee, best known for her lead role in dramas such as
Ooh.
Love Story in Harvard and Stairway
The
to
looks,
Heaven.
guys, amazing. Okay. Top 4.
An influential
Kim
actress
So
and media
Eun.
icon.
An
Kim
influential
So-eun
actress
comes
and
at
media
number 4
icon. Okay.
position. Kim rose
That's a
to
very
fame
young
with
age.
the popular television
Okay.
drama Boys Over Flowers, as many other actresses on this list.
Wow, amazing
started her
photographs.
career at
So
very young
simple,
age.
right? So humble. The face looks so humble. Okay, top 3. Who's gonna be top 3?
Han Ho-joo,
Han
best known for her
Yo-jo.
beautiful but innocent
Han
look and lead
Yo-jo.
roles in
Hyo-jo.
television
Okay.
dramas Dong-yi and Brilliant Legacy. Han Hyo-joo is an award-winning Korean
Okay.
actress who is at the peak of her career.
Okay. Okay. Seems like I see her before in some kind of music video or movies, I guess.
Stunning
Park
dancer,
Min
a
Young.
reputable
Okay.
model, Park Min Young is our pick for the most beautiful Korean
Okay.
actress of 2020.
Most beautiful actress of
Native of South
2021.
Korea,
Okay. I mean
Park is
2020
drop-dead
years.
gorgeous and best known
Okay.
for
And
performance in
drop-
television dramas.
Okay. Wow. Wait. Really excited, guys. Who's gonna be top 1? This is gonna be amazing and really excited. Top 1. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Okay. Let's begin it. Top 1. 1, 2, 3. Nana is on the top ranking of beautiful actresses from Korea. This is stunning South Korea singer and actresses also ranked high among the most beautiful women of 2020. She's the most beautiful lady, guys. Oh, amazing. Okay, anyways, thanks for watching. Infinite Effect, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, I really appreciate each and every one of you who used to encourage and used to watch my videos always. I used to read all your comments. That's amazing, so encouraging comment. Okay, well, we will be reacting on another video. Will be very exciting again. Okay, guys. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Okay, bye bye. Love you all.